to stay on as we have more updates coming in. Members of the parliament have started to gather at the union minister's residence from 8 a.m. today for the breakfast, after which they will proceed to the parliament to vote in the vice presidential election. We are learning that MPs from Uttar Pradesh are meeting at Union Minister Piyush Goyal's house. Those from the northeast will gather at Minister Kiren Rijiju's residence, and MPs from South India at Minister Prahlad Joshi's residence, while MPs from Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are reaching Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's house. MPs from Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand are gathering at Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar's residence, and members of parliament from Rajasthan are meeting at Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal's residence. Leaders from Gujarat are going to gather at Minister Mansukh Mandaviya's residence, while those from Bihar and Jharkhand are at the Minister Nityanand Rai's residence. MPs from Maharashtra are meeting at Minister Bhupendra Yadav's residence, while those from West Bengal and Odisha are at the Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's residence. Well, all right. On this note now, as we understand, Anand, right now, there is the meeting that is taking place with all the MPs at the respective union ministers' residences. This is what we are learning at this point of time ahead of the big day while the voting starts. What more information are you picking up as different MPs belonging from different states are gathering ahead of the meeting?
Yes, Simran, look, the NDA has very properly crafted its strategy to look at the MPs who will be voting in this vice presidential election. So clearly, the NDA and the BJP especially, they have formed 10 separate teams with several of the union ministers leading all the teams to look after all the NDA MPs to participate in this crucial vice presidential polls. And it is the reason why they have brought most of the MPs for breakfast ahead of this crucial polling that is all set to take place from 10 a.m. So clearly they have strategized that how all the MPs, senior MPs from the NDA alliance partners, they will be meeting with the senior ministers of the NDA, and then they will proceed to exercise their franchise in this vice presidential poll. So clearly the NDA is looking that there shouldn't be any kind of cross voting, and it was reason why it has marked several of the ministers to look after all the MPs from several states. That includes the NDA alliance partners from different states. So clearly this is a proper strategy that NDA has come up with to look after the way in which all the NDA partners will be voting in this polls today later in the day. And it was reason why several of the MPs, they started arriving at the residence of several of the ministers who have been given the task to look after separate states, separate parties. So they are having breakfast over there, and then from there they will proceed for the parliament for the VP elections. Back to you.
All right. In fact, now Anand, continue to stay on.